You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos that you'll want to learn from and listen to. This is pronounced in English as pied. In French, it's pronounced pied. It's French for a foot. But in English, it's pronounced as pied. English pronunciation. How to pronounce pied. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.